Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe will be how to make very easy yellow and red dal. And for that you will need 150 gram of yellow dal, 150 gram of red dal. If you don't have scales, you can use half of a small cup of each dal as a measurement. And you'll need 1 small cup of oil, 1 large onion sliced thin slices, 2 onion cloves thin sliced, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/3. So 1 full and 1/3 of red chili powder, laal mirch, and half teaspoon of salt and 2 cubes of chicken stock. You will also need for the cooking process about 5 glasses of water. So before you will start the cooking process, you need to put dal to soak in the water, rinse it out a few times, and then let it soak in the water for about 40 minutes to 1 hour before cooking. So here on a stove in a big pot I placed 5 cups of water, and I removed water from dal, and I'm gonna add the dal into the 5 cups of water. And once the dal has started to bubble in 5 cups of water, I'm going to add all the spices and mix it and let it cook further on. Fire at this stage can be medium to large, that's okay. Just make sure to keep an eye on the dal and mix it time to time. If you have placed dal prior cooking for 1 hour into the water, then when you have it here on the stove cooking in 5 glasses of water, then it will take about 15 to 20 minutes till it will be this consistency. And now when it's like so, now it's time to start warming up the oil. 1 small cup of oil in another pan. So while the dal remains cooking, mix it occasionally, but in another pan you have heated up the oil, and now you can add the sliced onions. Onion slices should be thin for the cooking, and once they will start to turn transparent and golden color, then I'm going to add garlic, sliced garlic. So now I will place garlic and keep mixing it and keep making it brown color. Once you achieve this beautiful brown color, don't burn it, don't make it black, but that's why I remain the whole time fire small so I can control it. Once you achieve this, the whole thing including the oil, please transfer here in the dal and mix it. And now that I've added it all to the dal, I'm going to mix it and leave it for about 10 minutes. Then the oil should separate a little bit, you will see, and the dal will be ready. I would also like to mention that for this end procedure I would make fire quite small to medium, but more towards the small side. And now the dal is fully cooked. You can enjoy it and serve it. I do give for my family on the side some fresh cucumber, and you can cut thin slices of onion, put it in a bowl with squeezed lemon juice. It will be nice for the side, and you can eat the dal and enjoy it with naan, roti or paratha. A full list of ingredients will be on the description on YouTube channel, and I will place in comments the link for the YouTube channel, and yeah, you can follow and enjoy and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.